Hi, Alison here from Gardening by Design with a video tip, this one on visiting gardens in February. Visiting gardens is a favourite summer activity for many people, but what is the attraction of visiting a garden in February? Snowdrop lovers, known as galanthophiles, regularly travel large distances to see collections of these beautiful flowers. But there's loads to view in a garden for the rest of us as well. And I took advantage of a bright sunny day this week between the storms to walk around National Trust's Gotney Castle Gardens. Here's a little taster. I always think that winter gardens operate at the extremes in the micro and the macro scale, with delicate snowdrops at the base of a monumental 250-year-old lime tree, statuesque without leaves in the winter sunshine, and back to the detail, the smooth texture and the colours of silver birch bark. On the cusp between winter and spring, February is a time of vistas unencumbered by summer growth and moments of colour and scent. The fragrance of these Daphne flowers hangs in the air in a sheltered spot. I also love the sense of anticipation, knowing that all the buds on this bank of rhododendrons will burst into flower in another month or so. What colour will they be? Well, that's a surprise for when I visit next time. And finally back to the here and now for a few mindful moments, enjoying the sight and sounds of a garden in February.
There's more information about how the box of tricks can help you to plan, plant and look after your plot on my Gardening by Design website, where you can also buy topics and sign up for the newsletter. I hope to see you again soon. Happy gardening!